Hi, I'm Renita. Welcome to my channel. I wish you a very happy new year. In this video, I will make paneer puff pastry or paneer patties with a milk wash for the pure vegetarians. I have used frozen ready-to-bake puff pastry dough sheets to considerably shorten the time for making very crispy, flaky and delicious snack for any occasion. I have also shown 4 different types of folds to choose from. Please watch the video till the end as I have shared many useful tips or tricks and alternates to make perfect puff pastries every time, even by a non-regular baker like me. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon with the notification selected as all. The measurements will serve 2 to 6 people. I have taken frozen ready-to-bake Dufour Classic puff pastry dough sheet. It has one sheet of approximately 15 by 12 inches. 3 hours before making the pastry, I took it out and left it in the room temperature for 3 hours to defrost. In the summer, it can be less than 1 hour. While the sheet is defrosting, I have done some preparatory works. I had taken puff pastry dough sheet out of the freezer and left it in the regular refrigerator overnight to defrost there slowly. I took it out and left it in the room temperature. The same process is applicable for all other puff pastry dough sheets. Please check out my other puff pastry recipes with other brands. In a non-stick pan, I have heated sunflower oil about 4 tablespoons till steaming hot. Then I added bay leaf, half piece, and whole masalas like 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, and half teaspoon of carom seeds. I have fried it in low heat till golden brown. Then I added 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and fried in medium heat for 1 minute. Then I added chopped red onion, about 1½ cups, and fried in medium heat for 3 minutes. Then I added grated ginger, about 1 tablespoon, and fried it again for another 3 minutes in medium heat. Then I added diced green bell pepper or capsicum, 1½ cups, and half teaspoon of salt. I fried them for 3 minutes in medium heat. Then I added diced tomato, 1 cup. I fried again for 3 minutes. Then I added diced paneer, 2 cups, salt, half teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon, turmeric powder, half teaspoon, coriander powder, half teaspoon, and Bengali garam masala powder, half teaspoon. I made Bengali garam masala powder at home by mixing cinnamon, green cardamom, and cloves in the ratio of 7:4:1 and grinded them to fine powder. I make it in bulk and store it in the airtight container. After 1 minute, I added chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon, and chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, half cup approximately. I have cooked them in medium heat for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then I have added sugar, 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per my taste, 1/4 teaspoon, and lime juice from 1/4 of a lime. I mixed them well and cooked for another 1 to 2 minutes. I pressed the filling gently with spatula to make it a bit mushy for better taste. The filling must be dry without burning it. The filling looks done. The filling is dry and is not sticking to the pan. Even if the filling is a bit crunchy, it is okay as it will be baked later. My filling tasted perfect, so I switched off the gas stove and left the filling open to cool down to room temperature. I also took out the bay leaf from the filling. In between, I stirred the filling so that the curry doesn't get burnt at the bottom. I am back after 2 hours of defrosting. The dough has thawed nicely, yet it is cold. That's how it should be to get nice flakes. I sprinkled some all-purpose flour on a board and rubbed it to lubricate it so that the dough sheet does not stick to it. I then unfolded it slowly and gently and placed it on the flour and removed the parchment paper from the dough. Then I sprinkled some all-purpose flour again on the sheet and rubbed it all over it so that it does not stick to the rolling pin. Then with a rolling pin, I smoothened the sheet without making it very thin, otherwise the folds inside it will get trapped and won't open while baking. If the sheet is not pre-cut, this 15 by 12 inch approximately sheet can be cut in many shapes and sizes. I have folded the sheet to create the middle lines for guidance. With the eye measurement, I have trimmed the 4 sides to give it a nice clean shape. So you can plan which fold and size to use. I have not wasted the trimmed dough. I kneaded it like a roti dough and rolled it into a circular puri shape. Thus I have got 7 pieces. Since I have 7 pieces of pastry dough pieces, I divided the filling, now cool, into 7 parts. For the first shape, I applied water on all 4 sides of the sheet, about the size of one finger. Then I have put the filling about 5 tablespoons in the middle and folded the diagonally opposite sides and pressed the ends about one finger to seal them. I did the same with the opposite ends as well. I also pressed the open sides so that the filling doesn't become very dry during baking. At last, I pressed the top with my hand to distribute the filling uniformly throughout the pastry. My envelope-shaped puff pastry is ready. For the both triangular and semi-triangular shapes, I followed the same technique. For the boat-shaped fold, I have put the filling about 6 tablespoons generously diagonally on the sheet. Then I have folded one side only in the shape of a boat. I'm not a big fan of this shape and the cone-shaped pastry fold as the filling becomes very dry during baking. My boat-shaped pastry fold is ready. For the triangular fold, I have filled the sheet with 5 tablespoons of filling and folded the sheet into a triangular shape and pressed the ends to seal it. The dough is elastic, so it can be stretched or pulled back to fit our shape. Fork can be used to seal it. For other shapes, you can watch my previous puff pastry videos. For the tiny round shape made from the scrap, I have put filling about 2 tablespoons and sealed it into a semicircular shape. With the measurements I gave you, I still have filling for 1.5 to 2 pastries left. All my assorted shapes and sizes of puff pastry are ready for baking, so I place them on 2 baking trays with parchment paper on them. They are placed in a way that they don't touch each other, otherwise they will get deformed if they don't get space while baking. Since it's a paneer recipe, a veg recipe, instead of egg wash, I brushed milk to glaze the top. Egg wash can also be used. For that, 1 egg is beaten with water or milk about 3 teaspoons. I place the 2 baking trays in the middle of the preheated oven. I had preheated the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I baked at 350 Fahrenheit in the convection mode or fan mode for 34 minutes or till golden brown. First, I baked for 20 minutes in the same temperature. Then I baked for another 8 minutes. Since I was not satisfied with the color, I baked for another 6 minutes at the same temperature. After 34 minutes, my paneer puff pastry looks great, so I place them outside in the room temperature to cool down before serving. The baking time will be different with the make, model and size of the oven, so it's best to bake in baby steps. I came back after 20 minutes. They are cool, flaky and crispy. It's layered outside, but the filling is still moist, soft and delicious. It serves 2 to 6 people. Please make it at home like this and share it with your friends and family members. Write in the comment box how it was. I read all comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon with the notification selected as all. You can also ask queries. I will love to answer them. If you have a different technique or a suggestion that you want to share for me and my busier family, you are most welcome to do so. I'll be back with another tasty recipe. Till then, tata.